What's going on, guys? So, talking about some hot stocks this morning. Yesterday, some really, I don't know if we call them really crazy stocks, but yesterday, some big crazy movers. MYSZ yesterday. MYSZ, we talked about it in the live stream yesterday morning. Talked about this one going crazy. And you can see MYSZ yesterday up there above $3. So in the morning, it was down there $1.90. Went up there to over $3 on MYSZ yesterday. Called it out in the live stream, and then yeah, did some crazy moves. This morning, stuff not looking as hot as we're used to, as we want to see here. Thinking, overall, what are we looking at here? A couple of stocks moving around, but really nothing looking that insane. I got to make this quick because I got things I got to do today. Places I got to be. I'm actually, like I said, heading to Vegas today. I got to go drop my truck off here in a little bit and then get ready for all that. But just kind of looking real quickly on what stocks are moving this morning. Got NBEV. NBEV yesterday after hours kind of popping up there to the 250 area. It's right there again. Yeah. Right up there again, NBEV up there to that 250, 260 area, key area that we were watching. Well, not key area that we were watching, key area that we're watching in general. But you can see that's what we were watching there. It's up there, that 250 area. Another stock that's moving this morning is HMNY. So we'll put NBNV on there just to keep a close eye on. So we'll put NBEV. So we got HMNY. HMNY has been doing this the last couple days or so. I don't even know what you call it. It's been moving around, actually, the last couple weeks, like in the morning pre-market, and then just kind of selling off at open and doing some little pops, dropping down. Something going on there at the HMNY. But look at that big, massive seller there at the 749 area. So HMNY, it's up 7.9% from the 690 area up there to 760, pulling back down there, 740 right now. And like I said, it's kind of all over the place. This HMNY, it's been a previous runner. It's been bouncing. Looks like it's overall just kind of trending higher, but still, not looking that hot really. Other than that, someone calling out RIOT. RIOT up 4.8% this morning. Making a little bit of a bounce there, up there 25.40. This thing, obviously, one of those crazy movers. And RIOT, one of the crazy movers that we've been trading the last couple of weeks. Someone's talking about PSTI. PSTI up 13% this morning. Up there from $1.50 this morning up there to $1.85, pulling back pretty hard, but then finding some support there at the $1.60 area. So keep an eye on that one. PSTI, HMNY. A couple stocks to keep an eye on this morning in terms of what's on the watch list. And not a lot of stuff looking that hot this morning. Not a lot of volume this morning, really, is what it looks like. Kind of looking at what stocks are moving, what stocks have volume, and there's not that much with volume. Not a lot of stuff looking that crazy. Just kind of looking overall here. Why does this thing keep popping up here? Couple retail stocks look like they're down today. We got a couple stocks that are selling off. Let's see if there's any shares of short there. AXSM, there are shares to short there. It's down 20% so far. So once the market opens, this thing's going to go to short sale restriction right away. So if you're going to short it, it might be best to short it before the market opens. You got CNET up 4.8%. This stock's been all over the place as well. Yesterday making a big move there from the 513 area up there to $7. And what else is moving here? BGFV. Another, BGFV selling off here. There are shares to short down there at the 640 area, bouncing that 640 area from that 790, finding some support there at the 740 area, it looks like. So that's a key area to watch there. 640 area from the 780. See if there's some shares to short. There are shares to short. It's down 17%, so it's also going to get hit with a short sale restriction once the market opens. So couple opportunities here, a couple opportunities to short this BGFG, maybe below that 640. We'll say below 640 possibly short. But overall, not that much going on. Like I said, I've got to go. I got to get ready. I got to go drop my truck off, get my truck wrapped today, and then I'm heading to Vegas afterwards. So dropping the truck off, then heading to the airport, and then heading to Vegas, baby. Put it all on black. That's my plan today. Just to put everything on black, let it ride. See if I can get that 50% profit, you know, over, I guess it's 100%. It's doubling, yeah. So 100% profit. Give me that 100% profit. $20,000 on black, baby. Let me do it. Pretty wild, though. Pretty wild, to say the least. But like I said, just want to do this little video real quick just to let you guys know what's moving, what's hot this morning. Not a lot of stuff looking that hot right now. Like I said, just one more time, kind of recapping, looking at the gapper list, gapping. NBEV really is the only thing that's like gapping up. But the volume on this thing, I mean, there's just no volume. Look at the volume. 6,000 shares traded. Definitely not that hot. Another stock, PTIE, looks like it's moving around this morning. PTIE, kind of the same thing. Not a lot of shares traded up there to that 590 area, pulling back down there to 540 right now. So need to get some more volume. Got to get some more action. I'm going to put this PTIE on the watch list there just in case it goes crazy later. You never know once the market opens. And then YTEN. YTEN up 13%. Up there, that 203 area, holding that 180 area right now. So that's also up 13%. Put that one on the watch list. Sorry, not really that many things looking that crazy, that hot this morning. But a couple stocks to keep an eye on today. You never know what's going to happen. Always got to be ready. Always got to be keeping an eye on what's hot. Because that's what we do. We're trading these momentum stocks, trading the hot stocks. And that's the goal here. So there it is. I'm going to just kind of close it out with that. Wasn't that hot of a morning. Like I said, I got things I got to do. But giving you guys an idea of what's happening, what's hot. Looking at NBEV, PSTI, HMNY, BGFV, PTIE, and then YTEN. Like I said, I'm heading to Vegas, so I won't be live streaming the rest of the week. I won't really be doing much trading. I think I'm going to be spending a lot of late nights out partying and a lot of early mornings drinking some coffee. So I don't think I'll be doing much trading when I'm in Vegas. But if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. If you're worried about me, follow me on Twitter. You can see what I'm up to. And then you can also check me out on Instagram if you're that worried about me. But in general, I'll be having a good time in Vegas and not worried about the market this week, I think. It's usually the best way to do it. I've tried to do the whole travel and trade thing. I mean, I've done it. It works. But a lot of times it's just too much of a hassle. So sometimes it's just better to know when not to trade. And it might be one of those weeks. So we'll see. I might trade. You never know. It depends on how I'm feeling. We'll see how crazy Vegas is. But I'll talk to you guys later on. I'm out of here. I'm on the next plane. I'm on the next plane out of Fort Lauderdale to Atlanta and then to Vegas. So I'll talk to you guys later on.